These toe warmers are supposed to be worn inside your shoes or your boots just to keep your toes warm. They are made from soft fleece, not to squeeze your toes inside your shoes. These toe warmers are an absolute lifesaver for me during the cold winter months. If you have purchased the pattern from my Etsy shop, then choose your size, print it out and check the test square to make sure that the printer settings could not alter the pattern in any way. If everything looks good, then cut the pattern out. The fleece should stretch and should not fray. Pin the pattern on. The seam allowances are included. Cut the toe warmer out. Of course, you will need 2 of them. Fold each with right side facing and pin. This is where you have to sew from the fold till the very end. The seam should be about 1 centimeter from the edge, or 0.4 inches. Secure both ends of the seams, and one toe warmer could be already finished. It might be beneficial to make the seam as flat as possible, so from the wrong side fold the seam to one side and top stitch. Secure the threads and cut them off. Repeat all the steps also for another part. This type of material usually does not fray, but if you want your toe warmers to look neat and tidy, then sew blanket stitch by hand all around.